Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so today I want to show you a very popular popular gospel chord movement. So I'll be in the key of I remember myself the great Johnsonkeyz for people who are watching me for the very first time. But I've been doing this for over 8 years. God bless you. Welcome to the channel. So please click the subscribe button for many more. Okay, so I want to teach you some popular gospel movements that you can use it in your playing. You can even learn it very fast and use it second day in your church service. I'll be in the key of F. Yeah, people who don't know this should request to for our beginners tutorial, so we can send you the link. All right, in the comment section. So it goes like this. Okay, so a song goes. This implies that the song is going from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. But if you notice, I did a substitution on the 4 instead of 4. I did flattened 7th. All right, so but let's get there. Let's go from its first step. So your first chord remains the same. Your F major chord. Yeah, I have 1, 5, 3 on my left. On my right, I have 5, 1, 3, 5. So that's normal. So now we want to go to our 2. We want to go from do to re. So how do we go? Do we just go like this? No. Nails. Tell your neighbor, say nope. We won't go like that. We'll need a passing chord, passing notes, passing whatever you want to call it. But I'll just say a very popular gospel. So right. So someone you hear people like Korean people like Kevin Bond, you hear them do stuff like this. It's like it's a kind of diminished move. So let me show you that. So your left hand goes from 3 in a stylish way, rhythmically. It goes from 3 to minor third to 2 to minor second, right? So this is what is happening. When you're so that means your left hand is making 4 moves. Play that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So after the 1, 2, the remaining 3, 4 movement that you're doing on your left hand, your right hand is going to join. So your right hand will join your left hand on 3. So just to do this, to go from 7th, major 7th to flattened 7th. Yeah, was it minor 7? All right. So together, so that what I've explained. Let's see it. Right then, yeah. So it's just like this is when you were giving birth to, and when you almost you pass the stage of teenager. So when you get to this part, you get married, you become two husband and wife. You get. So that's the analogy. That's the analysis there. Then as married. So single brother, married couple. Okay, so that's that. So we use that to get to our 2. So So that's that. Then on the 3, I did something on the 3. It was actually supposed to be a 3 to 6, but in this case we are going from 3 to 4, which I substituted for minor 7th. All right. So but we'll still do that. So look at what we do on the 3. On the 3 we did something like this. We did a hold and drop technique. And this is the key of F. We did a hold and drop technique in the key of 3. So my left hand was holding 3, right hand, right? So we are doing this operation in between. So 3 on the left hand, you hold your 3, then you do 6 to flat 6, 6 to minor 6 on left, on right. You hold the 3 with your pinky, and then with these fingers, these guys. Then with these 2 guys, like these guys that you go from your sharp 4, Sharpen fourth to your 4, right? Or okay, we'll say flat 5. This is actually flat 5. C flat, but I mean I'm not in for those stuffs, right? Okay, that's that. So you go from flattened 5th to your 4. So because I was supposed to go to 6, but I don't want to go to 6, so I will now be playing around with the diminished chords that fall in that place. So look at it. What diminished chord is that? Is the diminished chord on your 4, or your 4, your 4, do re mi fa, your 4, the diminished chord. So you play around with the inversions. I'm trying to buy time to go to 4, which actually I did minor 7. So look at that again. 1, remember? I don't want to do it again about the analysis again. 2, then 3, then so that's that. So 1, any song that goes from 1 to your 2, then 3, then 4. So just pull this on that song and let me know how it goes in the comment section. God bless you. Bye.